Well, good morning, YouTube, and my 209 subscribers. This is Williams, Philippines. It's about 4:30 coming up on Sunday, November 10th, 2024. Hope everybody's having a good day. I'm going to be a bit busy. One of my co-workers here had a car wreck and going to be down for a bit. So, yay, I'm going to get some overtime. Sorry to hear that she's hurt, but, I can use the overtime. Yeah. Anyway, sad to hear that. I hope everybody's doing good and had a good meal and an enjoyable weekend. So I know some places are already heading toward the end of Sunday, so it's starting to head toward Monday. Yay. Anyway, was checking on a few things, and I've been planning on sending a couple bulk buying boxes over, and Vagabond was saying, hold off on that. You don't know where you want to go, so really, I don't know which island I want to head to, but part of me wants to try to pack up as little as I can and go, and just leave some stuff over here, and if I find the right place, then get it mailed over. The other part says send it general delivery. But then I gotta have a place to put it when I get there, or when it gets there. Shortens my searching time for an island I like. Had some a guy come through yesterday, a guest, and he actually lives over there in the Dumaguete area. And I am definitely wanting to go over there. Seems like more I'm here planning to get over there, the more people I find that are actually living over there or going back and forth over there. I'm so ready to go. I definitely need to get some things taken care of and such. So like I was trying to put some phone numbers into a phone book, an address book, and one of my friends was saying, why don't you just put it in the phone contact list? It has all that. Yeah. But a physical copy is always there, even if even if the power goes down, you always have a physical copy. It's there. It doesn't depend on electrons. I know, I'm old school. What's worse is I was trying to put it into two of them, because, that one is none, two is one, three is better. Yeah. I have a tendency to be that way. It's better to be prepared. My inner Boy Scout's wanting to escape and start doing things in triplicate. Yeah. I don't know. Hey, I was catching some of the news. Oh gosh, there's a bunch of people coming really unhinged over Trump being in. I pray for him. All these people out there trying to go crazy and trying to kill him and such. And quite honestly, I worry for him. It's definitely not a good thing. And he doesn't just have the Democrat people going crazy over it. He's got other countries trying to go crazy over it. Iran? Yeah. I don't know. Somebody was mentioning, and this is one of the reasons I don't like catching the news. You know, they're talking about all the things, and one of them I heard was talking about will Biden try to pardon his son, Hunter, for all the stuff they've got on him. I don't know. Sure seems like to me that there should be some consequences to all these things that have been done. I'm big on consequences. You know, I believe in bumpers. Hey, if you want to deny reality, you can deny reality all you want. Ayn Rand, pointed that out. You can deny reality, but you cannot deny the consequences of. That's why I like bumpers. You dance in the middle of the street and a bumper gets you, it's consequential. So yeah, I think there should be consequences for things that folks do. That's why you won't see me dancing in the middle of that road. Yeah, I got better sense. Too many times the bumpers got me. I learned finally. And quite honestly, I think that would be one of the best things that could happen to a lot of folks that have been doing stupid on Stupid Street. I hope it hurts. Although they might need to stagger it out over the next year. Too many people in the hospital at the same time. Healthcare could get really overloaded. I don't know. I do worry about, folks in some ways, especially ones that I know. But it's I can't force them to make better choices. Everybody gets to make the choice. The nightmare is the consequence that comes with it. Too many people run around sad sack and miserable by choice. They don't try to see the positive side of things. And I see those here fairly regular. Folks that just do not want to be in a good mood for anything. It's a choice. Yeah. And one of my friends, one of his friends has a daughter that's, diabetic, refuses to to her shots and such. And she gets into problems with it. It's not good, you know. She doesn't try to eat right. She hauls off and doesn't do her shots, and then wonders why her blood sugar is so messed up, and the doctor's worried about her, you know. Little, what, 17, 18-year-old girl refuses to listen, knows better than all the other people how she's doing. Yeah. Don't get me wrong, I remember when I was young and dumb, and reality started smacking me around for it. The consequences of not taking care of your health with conditions like that, you know, it's not good. It can kill you. He's tried to explain that to his daughter. She doesn't want to listen. Thinks she knows better. About the only thing I can do for her is pray for her. You know, because I can't make the decision to take care of herself. Only person I can make a decision for is me. And those that want me to take and be in charge of them. Thank God I ain't got many of that. I mean, I got a couple family members that, you know, but I don't want to be in charge of them. They're in charge of themselves. You know, I got a cousin. I love him dearly, but knucklehead. And he's just like that little girl. Just he's a lot older. But hey, we all get to make the choosy. Don't get me wrong, I finally woke up and started trying to fix my life. It's not easy. I guess you got to get to the point that you decide it's better to fix yourself than to sit there and continue to fight to be crazy. I don't know. I guess a lot of folks just don't want to keep going and choose to just wear themselves out. I don't get that. I don't know. Too many people trying to fight good things and dive off into bad things. Yeah. We get to make choices. The question is, you know, the consequence. Is it going to catch you this time, or are you going to get lucky and it miss you? Everything comes around when it needs to be there. Like I say, God's gift to us is choice. The nightmare is the consequence that comes with making that choice. Bad choices have quite a few times have bad consequences. Even some good choices have bad consequences. You know, I've joked about it before, you know. You say I do, and for the next 40 years, you're doing. Or you might decide to say I don't. She says have. Well, at least here. But yeah, every choice has a consequence. Some of them are long-term, some are short-term. You know, you dance in the middle of the road, bumper gets you, you may never walk again. Or you might get smacked down the road, be sore for many years, and learn a lesson and survive. Yeah, I hope people survive, and that it was painful enough that it woke them up to needing to fix things But again, that's their choice. And only they can work between their ears. Now, I'm not a brain surgeon. I can't work between here and here on you. I can barely work between here, and there on me. Yeah, I got no sense. I don't want to work on somebody else. Too much painful stuff and consequences I don't want to be involved in. But it helps to take and learn your lesson and figure it out and stop doing stupid. I don't know. I hope everybody's had a blessed weekend and a lot of good food. This is William from Williams, Philippines. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.